Hey, what's up you guys, and welcome back to my garden or my forest. I don't know. I want to try something new with the background today, so let me know what you guys think about like the plants. I'm kind of digging it. So anyway, in today's video, we're going to do like a little get ready with me kind of style. So I'm going out and I'm going to do, so I'll show you. I'm going to do this little wig and I'm going to clip in some hair extensions into the wig to like make it a little longer and fuller. So let's see how that goes. I've actually never done that before, so we'll kind of like try it out together. So my hair, my pink hair is fading and I kind of want to do another color. I kind of want to try like a peachy color. So let me know if you guys have any recommendations. I do want to try Arctic Fox. I haven't tried them before, but I hear only good things. So I'm going to braid my hair and then put it into this wig cap, which I'll show you in a second. So I've been liking this kind, especially if I'm not going to be gluing down my wigs. I actually find this one really comfortable. You kind of just put it on like a headband. Let's go like this. And then this part goes up here. And then you just kind of like shove your hair into the back. It just looks like this. Hey, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the wig on and I will be right back. All right, she is on. This wig is from Freedom Couture. I have other videos about it, so I'll link that down below if you guys want to check out like my review and first impressions and whatever. I'll link all the videos about this wig in the description box. All right, so the extensions I'm going to be using today are from Luxy Hair extensions. These are the seamless style in the color Ash Blonde, and I do have other videos about these as well, so if you guys want to see that, I'll link those down below as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting these in. And I'm just going to put them in the same way I would if I was just putting them into my hair. Hopefully that is going to look good. So we'll go ahead and start doing that. So I'm starting to think that this would have been easier if I just put the wig on a mannequin head and then clip the extensions onto it. Because girl, that's like the beauty of having a wig is you can style it while it's like not in your hair or like on your head is what I meant to say. But, okay, this is like, okay, maybe we're going to go ahead and do that because this is actually harder than I thought it was going to be. So I'm going to put this wig on a mannequin head and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back with my head. So I think this is going to be way easier. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this off since I don't need that right now. Okay, let's put the clips in. So go ahead and start at the bottom here. All right, so I'm going to start off with one of the 4 clip pieces and just clip this onto the bottom. Okay, yeah, this is like so much easier to do off your head. Like I can clip in hair extensions into my natural hair, like no problem. I don't need a mirror. I don't need anything. I don't even like, you know what I mean? But clipping it onto the wig was a little bit more challenging than I thought it was going to be. All right, so we'll do the next layer. And what do you guys usually do? Do you like curl the extensions as you put them in, or do you wait until they're all in and then curl them? Let me know, because I kind of do it both ways depending. So I'm going to use this guy right here. It's a 1-inch curling wand. I don't know what brand this is, but any curling wand is fine. So I'm going to go ahead and take just the extension pieces. I'm not going to recurl the wig. I'm just going to curl the extensions. And I'm just going to wrap it around the barrel like this so we can create those loose waves just to mimic the loose waves of the wig. So there's one there, and then we'll kind of, oh, you can't see. Hold on, let me do one here so you guys can see, and then I'll speed it up. So I'll just do another one here. Just wrap it around like that and hold it for a little bit. So it kind of looks like that. And then once they kind of cool down, I'll run my fingers through them and then tousle it all up so it all kind of blends together. So I'm going to go ahead and curl the rest of the hair and I'll speed this part up. All right, so this is what she's looking like so far. So I'm going to kind of just like run my fingers through the hair and blend all the waves together. So this is what she looks like. Hey, I am digging it. Like, I love this. So now I can have a short wig and a long wig. All right, so that is it for this video, you guys. You know the drill, like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.